Joseph Cerda. This is a Kubota G722 3-cylinder engine. We tore it down, measured everything, made sure everything was according to OEM specs, and we rebuilt it. And this is a startup.
Clear.